For the fake one, if you peel this like this, you won't see all the... So these are the 3 reasons why you should not use the glycolic acid toner. I hate the glycolic acid 7% toning solution. So you might have probably bought the fake one and I didn't. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute. I have been so busy, but ladies, I am here today. So today we're going to be talking about the most talked about skincare product for years now. And we're going to be making a full review of that product. We're going to be talking about what it does. Does it really do that thing it says it's going to do? Does it work on sensitive, oily, acne-prone skin? And how to decipher the fake from the original. I know that is what everybody wants to hear today. So we're going to talk about everything, basically everything about this product. And that product is the 7% ordinary glycolic acid toning solution. And this product, they said, it helps with your armpits, it helps with your your bikini lines, it helps to avoid you from smelling, to prevent you from smelling. You can replace it with deodorant, you can replace it with this. It does everything. Like they say, it does everything in the whole world. So we're going to find out today if it really does it. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're an old viewer, thank you guys for always staying with me, because it's a privilege to have people come back to watch your videos each and every time. So let's get right into the video. Let's start with what it actually contains. This product is the ordinary 7% glycolic acid. Secondly, it contains aloe vera and ginseng. Thirdly, it contains Tasmanian pepperberry extract, which reduces irritation. So I've used this product for the past 3 weeks. I know I've not really used much, but for 3 weeks, I should be able to give a full review on this product. So I went to Sabah and I stayed for 3 days and my skin was like this. I was like, oh my God, what the fuck am I gonna do to this my skin? I was like, everybody's talking about glycolic acid, because glycolic acid is not really my thing. I am like a girl that loves salicylic acid because of my oily skin, and I don't really know much about glycolic acid. So I decided to buy glycolic acid to use, to review for you guys, and to tell you guys if it actually works, because it's everywhere. Like, it has been everywhere for the past 3 years. Like, it is never fading out. PR marketing of this brand really did a thing, because glycolic acid is never out of phase. Everybody keeps asking me, do you have it? Do you sell it? And I don't usually sell what I have not tried on myself. So any product you see I sell, I have tried it on myself, or I have given my sister to try it to check if it's really good to be sold. Exactly. So I haven't tried this one at all, but I decided to take this bold step to get it and try it so that I can review for you guys. This contains 7%, and 7% is not much. 7% is okay. It's not going to irritate your skin. 7% is a really good number for exfoliating. It has a pH of 3.6, which means it is acidic enough to exfoliate your skin and not cause irritation. Mind you, skincare products that are acidic are not always good for everybody. You can't use it every day. You have to like alternate it or use it 3 times a week, especially if you're a beginner. The price range is quite high. It is more than 20,000 naira. This is the 100 ml and it's not quite big. Some are bigger. That is the 240 ml is quite bigger and it will be more expensive. But this is the 100 ml. So the price will range within 22,000 to 27,000 for this small bottle. It is quite expensive. Thirdly, this comes in a watery consistency. It is not thick. It is very, very watery, which helps it to absorb easier and faster on the skin. So if you're using it on your skin, you have to make sure that your face is dry ASF. It has to be dry. Immediately after doing your cleansing at night, put it on your face, and it's going to dry within 30 seconds. So this glides very smoothly on the skin. It is quite lightweight. It's what we do. So And I don't use this product with a cotton pad because I am against cotton pads. Cotton pads shed all those tiny lint, and that lint will stay on your skin. It might come with bacteria, it might clog your pores too. So I don't use it with cotton pad. I just basically pour it on my face like this, then dab it. That is how you should use a toner to see the result. So that is basically the outer part of it. Now let's go into this deeper to know if it actually worked for me. I don't really have much progress picture, but I started using it and my face was like this, and currently this is how my face is. You could still see a little bit of spots on my face because, guys, Asaba people, your water is terrible. I had the most terrible experience with my skin when I went to Asaba. It was itching me, it was peppering me. Anything I put on my skin would not be good for my skin. So I basically did not use much when I traveled to Asaba. So I got back to Lagos and I decided to start using this. And as you can see, it actually faded a little bit of my spots. It actually faded a little bit of my hyperpigmentation. And this is the first product I have used that did not cause me irritation at first use. Salicylic acid, I have been using it for years now. And the first time I tried salicylic acid, like if I stop using it for a few months and I try it again, it will pepper me for that first day. But this one did not pepper me at all the first time I used it. So it shows that this is very good for all skin types. Sensitive skin to an extent, it is good for you. At first, when you get the glycolic acid, it will be very difficult for you to open. The first time I tried to open it, I opened it like that. I was like, what's happening? Then I tried it this way. Sorry. See, the little nozzle here, you just have to twist this little one and it's open. You can now pour it. Can you see that? So this is basically the watery consistency. And let's talk about if it really works for underarm, because when I was using it on my face, I was also using it under my arms. So let's talk about it. To be very honest, I didn't see any positive result from using it under my arms. Also, people said it's gonna help with your scalp. I don't have scalp psoriasis, so I didn't really check or do much findings about the scalp part. But if you have psoriasis, you can get this. And I don't know anyone that has it. I would have sent the product to the person. So if you have scalp psoriasis or dermatitis, send me a DM so that I can send this product to you to try and give me a review to know if it actually works for scalp. So I mean psoriasis, sorry, or dermatitis, that thing that causes flakiness on your hair. When you're touching your hair, things will be falling out. If you have psoriasis, not just dandruff. Yeah, I'll send the product to you to try out. And that aside, let's talk about the fake and the original. Number one, to know a fake glycolic acid, you have to know it from this. For the fake one, you will not see glycolic acid 7% exfoliating toner. You will see a whole different write up. For the fake one, if you shake it, it doesn't foam. The fake one doesn't foam. So you might have probably bought the fake one and I didn't buy the fake one. It doesn't foam. If you shake it, it still remains the same. I was trying so hard to get a fake one, but the brand didn't reply me. So I don't know why. So I couldn't get the fake one. You see, this is the original one. It foams, but the fake one does not foam. Thirdly, this is how to know the fake one. You have to peel it. Hold on, guys. Yeah. For the fake one, if you peel this like this, you won't see all this written. It's so cool. The fake one doesn't have this peel out. If you try to peel the fake one, it's just one layer, but the original one has two layers of paper. So it has, and what is written on it is, if your eye or skin irritation occurs, rinse thoroughly, says use and consult a physician. Then you also see someone alert, then you see a different language. You also see face and scalp toner and so many more. So you read, the fake one doesn't have it. They don't have it. So this is how the main way of knowing the fake from the original. So if you've been using the fake one, I'm so sorry. The fake one is quite cheaper than this one. So if you want to buy a fake one that you sabi, just know that the fake and the original, there must always be a difference. I didn't like planned this video ahead. So that is why I'm just like talking about it, because it is a personal review and not supposed to be planned. Okay. Another thing you need to know is that it helps brighten your skin. I think my skin brightened up a bit. Like, I think it brightened up a bit, as you can see. And it helps with your hyperpigmentations, it helps with dark spots, it helps with exfoliating your skin to give your skin a fresh new look. Someone told me I hate the glycolic acid 7% toning solution. I was like, why do you hate it? She said it burns my skin. Now, this is how to use the glycolic acid toner to prevent it from burning your skin. Now, there are different skin types: the oily skin, the dry skin, the combination skin, and the normal skin. If you have an oily skin, okay, let's talk about general. How to use the glycolic acid is, first thing, you have to cleanse your face. And don't use it in the morning because you are still a beginner. I used it in the morning, doesn't mean you should. Use it only at night. After cleansing your face, you make sure that your face is dry. It has to be dry before putting any exfoliating ingredient on it. Let it get dry before you use the ordinary. And most people try to use cotton pad. If you use cotton pad for your toners, it won't really give you what you want. It won't really work faster. It's going to take time because the toner has to soak up the whole pad first before you get a little for your feet. So I have to put it directly on my skin, making sure that the nozzle doesn't touch my skin. Then like that, you have to dab. You don't have to rub. You have to dab. Then after dabbing, you wait for another 1 minute before you continue with your routine. And make sure that sunscreen is your friend, because if you don't use sunscreen with this product, you're definitely gonna get burnt. So do it this way. And also, as a beginner, use it 2 times a week. Not more, not less. Then gradually, you can now increase, but make sure it is just 2 times a week that you have to start with. Only at night, and make sure in the morning, a sunscreen should be your friend. People that are not meant to use this product is people that have sensitive skin. That is basically every exfoliating in product irritates your skin. Please don't use this. Secondly, people that have an open wound. If you have rosacea, if you have an open wound, like an open acne, an active acne, or a severe acne, you should not be using this glycolic. Thirdly, if you're using retinol or vitamin C on that routine that same night, please don't use this, because mixing actives will burn your skin even faster. So these are the 3 reasons why you should not use the glycolic acid. Thank you for watching till this very point. That's basically all I have for you for now. I might still make another review in 1 month's time, but that is basically all I have. And please, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. If you're an old viewer, just guess. You guys are the MVPs. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. And if you do have questions for me, please do ask your questions in the comment section. If you have any skin issues, any skin problems, please don't forget to let me know about it. I'm gonna be of great help to you. Bye.